Good afternoon, guys. It's Mrs. B coming live to you from her flower bed. As I had promised you, I am planting 2 plants in your honor for Earth Day. They are both pollinators, which is what our lesson is going to be about today. A pollinator means that it has pollen. It draws butterflies, it draws hummingbirds, it draws bees. They all latch on to the pollen in these plants and they transfer seeds to help our ecosystem. So first off, we have a Walker's Low. It is catmint. It will grow to be 18 to 20 inches tall. On my left, we have white swan. It gets like a white and yellow, almost like a daisy type thing. These are both pollinators, so they are going to help our garden. I'm going to dig deep, get some mud, probably find a few worms in here. I'm hoping. Ooh, check it out. On my second swipe, I got a worm, and they are healthy for our soil as well. Gonna make sure I dig deep enough. Mrs. B's soil is kind of like clay up here. It's kind of hard to dig through, and I came upon a whole bunch of worms. Too bad we weren't gone fishing today, Mr. B. We could take them with us. The next thing I'm going to do is to carefully pull my plant out. You see how the roots are all attached together. The secret is to kind of break them apart so they will spread evenly in the soil. Now, if it were summertime, I'd have my hose up here, but right now, I got my sprinkler. I'm going to wet those roots real well. I'm going to replace the soil. Make sure I put my worm friends back in there. And voila, in your honor. I love you guys.